Good day, everybody. Welcome to Bompa's Homestead. So I managed to finish my woodshed. Did not film it. I had friends over who helped me finish building it, so they didn't want to be on camera, so I didn't film them. But here is the wood. So this is what it looks like, right there. But I'm gonna modify it because I don't like it the way it is. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this wall here and I'm going to close off these two here. So I'll be able to access from there and better pile my my wood. Yes, I started piling some of the wood, but it fell. So that's one of the reasons why I want to modify the wood shed. Also, I went and helped my father-in-law. His pipe for his septic tank busted, so we dug and changed the pipe to going to the septic tank. So I did that. So I was driving the tractor, moving the earth. He was on the excavator digging, and I was in the tractor moving the earth around. Also had to do a oil change. Didn't film the oil change. Did have a couple pictures there, so I'm gonna add the pictures in this video. And also I'm starting a new project. Gonna start building a kind of a carport on the side of my my garage to store my my little fishing boat and store my my equipment that I use for outside, and also store my four-wheeler. Sorry, there's a bug going around me here, trying to get rid of it. So here we go. Here's the tractor that we did the oil change. So we changed the oil filter, changed the oil also. Also installed a new battery on it because the old battery wasn't good anymore. So took the time to change all of that, and cleaned it, checked, verified everything, make sure that it was all good for the job that was coming up. So pretty good tractor. That's my father-in-law in the excavator. So we dug for the septic tank pipe. So we dig quite deep and managed to change it. right now I'm on my way to the local hardware store, going and buy some cement and also some rods. I'm going to be needing rods to put to make sure that the cement stays straight and doesn't crack and make it more solid. So I'm going to get going to the store, going to buy that, make sure that I'm doing this right. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go get some plywood, start preparing my boxes for my cement footings. So I got some plywood that was in a old shed. I'm gonna go get with my 4-wheeler. Shed is over there, so I'm gonna go and get that. Bunch of plywood there on the floor. I'm gonna try and put it into my trailer. I got a trailer in the back of my trailer right there. I'm gonna start putting that into the trailer, bring that into the garage. So I had to build 6 boxes for my cement. 8 boxes, sorry. I got to build 8. I got 6 done. Well, basically these are going to be going into my holes with the rods. I have 2 more to I didn't film these when I was building these. Didn't have a real place to put down the camera and all that there, so but I'm gonna try and film what I've got the next one. I'm not sure how it's going to be looking, but there you go. I might try to move you a bit more this way then. There we go. Might see a bit better. There you go. Ah, that is better. Okay, get this going. Okay, so now I'm going to be cutting my rods. So I need what, 24 rods of 3 feet. So I'm going to be, I know it's not really the way to do it with a grinder, but that's all I got. So I'm going to be cutting it with a grinder. So here we go. Oh, and see, I got my safety glasses on now. I should have been wearing them with the air gun. I know, and also when I was cutting with the when I was cutting the plywood. I should have had my glasses on, but now I got them on. Wow, it's gonna be harder than I thought. So a grinder will not beat it away. So I'm gonna have to check, see if I got a blade, a metal blade for my my jigsaw. I'll get back. So that's it. That's this week's video. So thank you very much for watching. Very much appreciated. Again, as usual, please like and subscribe. Leave your comments on my videos. Very much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.